Cricket ball of mass 160 gram is bowled and reaches the bat with a speed of 18 meter per second. Okay, the ball is hit directly back to the bowler with a speed of 25 meter per second. Find the magnitude of the change, okay, in the momentum of the ball. Okay, magnitude of the change of the momentum of the ball. Okay, so that's what we're gonna find. Okay, first of all, momentum is a vector quantity. Okay, vector quantity. We know a ball is bowled and it reaches, so basically it's moving towards the bat. Okay, let's say if I draw a bat here, okay, towards the batsman, and then the batsman hits the ball, so it's moving towards the bat at 18 meter per second. Okay, once it gets hit by the batsman, okay, the ball will swing back. Okay, it's going to swing back, but this time it swings at 25 meter per second. Okay, so we know velocity is also a vector quantity, so therefore you have to make sure that the sign is correct. So if I make towards the batsman is negative, then away from the batsman should be positive. Okay, so one is negative, the other one is positive. Now, change in momentum, the formula for change in momentum, okay, change in momentum is mv minus mu, meaning the final velocity, okay, multiplied by the mass, okay, minus the initial velocity multiplied by the mass. Or I can even simplify this and write it as mv minus u. So therefore the mass of the ball is 160 grams, so there we have to definitely change this to kg. So you divide that by 1000 and then multiply by the final velocity, which is 25, minus the initial velocity, which is negative 18. Okay, remember that the sign is important. So from here we get 0.16 multiplied by 25 plus 18, and your answer is 6.88 kg meter per second. Okay.